Hello, good evening, dear students. Let us see today three things regarding children at work. Last time I discussed with you that is a short background of the story, and I hope you have read the story and you have done the worksheet also. If you have not done the worksheet, please do it. As I said that I would be telling you regarding the character sketch of Jaya and Velu, and you can see on your screen this picture of Jaya and Velu. Okay. So you can see that how Velu is sitting on the bench at Chennai Central Station. He looks very, surprised with the state of affairs going on in his life. So what we can make out from the story about Velu? What kind of a boy he is? So he is an 11-year-old boy who comes from a very sad background. His father beats him every day. Velu, as a child, turns out to become sensitive with this issue. And because of that, he plans to run away from his home. Maybe he is a boy filled with fear, but he acquires the guts to run away from pain due to his pathetic situation because his father used to beat him up and his sister for money that they used to earn by putting a lot of labor. But his father used to snatch away all those money and he used to spend that on drinking. So he was quite fed up with the situation and he decided to run away. He is such a child who is ready to face any difficulties and pick a hard route to life to escape from his father's beatings. So, what can we see regarding Velu is that he is a sensitive boy. He is a boy who took courage at least to stand against the abuses that he faced from his father. And that's why he ran away and came to Chennai in order to, find his livelihood and to do something big. But the question is that is it acceptable or is it logical for a child of such an age to run away from home? Is escape a solution? Obviously not. Escaping from a pathetic situation is not the solution at all. The solution is to face it. That is, you should have let's face it attitude, isn't it? Why? Because you can see at the end of the story that the situation of the boy did not improve at all. He wanted to escape from his father's abuses. He came to the city, expected to do something grand, but ironically, that did not happen, and he ended up becoming a rag picker. Okay. On the other hand, you can see Jaya. She is the bold one, the smart one. She is a rag picker, and her living is picking up paper cups from the road and sell them to earn money. That is the only agenda of her life, that is to earn money. She is probably of Velu's age, but you can see a lot of difference between these two characters, isn't it? She is very hardworking, and she is working very hard to fill her empty stomach. She is practical in nature. It's a very important aspect of Jaya's character. She is very practical in nature and she knows the practical ways to live life. But Velu was imagining everything in his head. She is a brave girl. She is charming and attractive as she has got good sense of humor. Charming and attractive, I mean to say in this way that physically she is not that charming, but yes, mentally she is very charming and attractive, and she has got a very good sense of humor. That is the way she talks with Velu, isn't it? She has a very good helping nature because she understands the meaning of pain. And because Jaya is a rack picker, she knows that she cannot help Velu in doing something very grand in his life. She can only help Velu to, become a rack picker, and she can at least help Velu to fill his stomach. But there is a contrast between these two characters, where Velu is a sensitive boy, Jaya is a practical girl. And you have seen a lot of children working around, isn't it? So if you talk to them, they would be able to tell you the practicalities and the realities of life. They understand things better than the children who live the life of comfort. Now, for such children, there is no choice. They have to live that life in order to fill their stomach. The situation is very grave. Children at Work is such a story which, in a very light manner, tells the problems of child labor, which is the theme of the story. That is, how child labor is affecting the lives of children like Velu and Jaya, where they are meant to go to school in order to have education, but they are forced into the area of doing labor. That is to work in order to earn money. Okay? So this is about Velu and Jaya. I hope it's clear to you. So now you would be able to write those 5 sentences about Jaya and Velu. That is, you can write about the physical appearance of both the characters, that how Velu looks, how old he is. Then you can use the storyline and the things which I explained to you in order to write all those 5 sentences about Velu. And the same you can do with Jaya as well. Okay. Now, the moral of the story. What is the moral of the story? I told you that Children at Work primarily deals with the idea of child labor. So, what message do we get from the lesson? That is, there are many reasons why children have to work. Some help their family to make a livelihood. Others run away from unhappy homes and need to support themselves. Now, children who have to work, like Velu and Jaya, can't go to school and play like other children. So, what happens to them? They come in the field of child labor, isn't it? The children who have to work hard, lead lives very different from those led by other children. And that leading life differently is nothing but child labor. That is, how child labor is affecting the lives of so many underprivileged children who are there in India working only to fill their empty stomach. So, what is our task? Our task is to spread awareness. Our task is to spread awareness among those parents who are forcefully sending their child to work. Maybe they have got various issues, but still, a child is not meant to work. A child is meant to have education. Everybody has got the right of education. Okay? So, this is the moral of the story, that many children in India, they are not working out of happiness. They are not working just because they want to work. They are working because there are various reasons. And one of the most common reason is to fill empty stomach. Okay? And this thing is leading to child labor, which has become one of the most prominent problems in the country. So I hope these things are clear to you. Now I'm going to give you a kind of comprehension check test in order to see whether you have understood the lesson or not. Okay? Thank you.